meant for two sets of people. First, it is meant for people who would love to learn the Kapampangan language.
It's for people outside of Pampanga or who are not of Kapampangan descent and have married or are planning to marry into Kapampangan families.
Or simply for people who must learn the Kapampangan language because they're earning a living or currently employed here in Pampanga. Yes, ika yung mag-adjust, aluway kami ne. Ako na naman.
Numunta ako wari Korean, ako man Managalog-Tagalog ka rin.
Kasi ka umakipag-obra.
Mag-Korean kayo.
Chigule, haboya, oppa, ontoke.
Kakadwa para yan naman ini ka rin Kapampangan na bisa pang makabalog yung kultura, ampong amanura.
Kaya lang kaya katamo Kapampangan, potang may pag-greet or may panatukat to. Alina Kapampangan gagamitan tamo. So instead of saying maya pa abak, in kaya katamo sasabihan, good morning, which is the generic greeting tam.
Yeah. Nasa amin po kaya rin ang albening video ngayon ni agamit alarang greeting sa Reni kaya pialdo-aldo tamo. Lalo na nung atsu tamo kay ning Pampanga at mas lalo na nung inkasabi tamo Kapampangan la.
Before we begin, we'd like to tell you that this video is sponsored by Kids and Lois, a Kapampangan online shop that sells branded items from the United States.
You'll hear more about them later in the video.
Let's begin with our common greetings, which are known as
Pamanatu. Pamanatu is derived from the word atu, which is defined by Berganio as nota o reparo, or a remark, observation, or note. They are casual or informal greetings exchanged among friends and common acquaintances of equal rank or social standing.
While there are basic non-verbal ways to greet someone, like smile or timan, or raising of eyebrows, raising of the chin, a wave of the hand, a tap of the shoulder or tapik, a pat on the head for youngsters or apis, pinching of the cheeks or lapirot, or sometimes a poke on the ribs or suldut. Kapampangans have several verbal expressions to greet someone. The most common is oy.
Oy. Oy or the Kapampangan hey is perhaps the simplest and most common form of verbal exchange to acknowledge the other's presence, especially when you're in a hurry or when you're suddenly encountering a familiar face whose name you've forgotten.
No. Yeah. No.
Bruno.
No.
Bruno. Bruno.
Oy!
Basta.
Oh.
Aro, lalo niya sila yun eh. Solen, Sindel, Celeste. Ay, akalimutan ko na.
Nakagyan mo na ako natalagyo.
Ay! Panupaya mo na ne. Pero, kaya tanda ng lagyo mo pero balo king lupa mo. Nana si lagyo mo?
Bernard.
Ay, Bernard! What? Bernard? Kaklase kong elementary eh.
Oh, yung grade 6.
Oh, kumusta? Musta is another common pamanatu. This is derived from the Spanish, ¿Cómo está usted? Or, how are you? Despite the original meaning, it does not really inquire into the other person's health or well-being. The standard reply is also, Musta?
Next, we move on to another set of greetings, which we call pamagmanano.
Pamagmanano is derived from the word nanu or what, and its verb form mananu or what will happen. Pamagmanano are considered more polite than pamanatu and have become the standard greeting as they address the other person's condition in a given time or even actually inquire into the person's well-being. Lemonane. The first is a more polite form of musta, which is kumusta na ko po or kumusta na ko.
Well, this means, how are you? Kumusta na ko is more polite than the earlier discussed pamanatu, musta, and shows an actual concern or consideration for the other person's condition and well-being.
We also say nuko po ume.
Or, nung kamunta.
Both of these greetings mean where are you going and is also a common form of greeting when meeting someone in the street. Kendalan.
You don't really care where they're going, it's just a greeting. The usual answer is a vague karene or there.
Oh, par.
Oh,
Kausap.
ay niya, Maya.
Oh,
Ba, buka po naman Maya kasi dinipouch mo na eh.
pila ya pa ini.
Kaya kapila-pila mo.
Oh.
Ano ka munta?
Aka rin.
Ah, rin. Ba, parin eh.
Ika naman, ba't ka pa ka rin?
Wow.
Pumunta ka niya ka rin.
Anong ta ka rin?
Oh.
Lemonan eh.
Lemonan eh.
Lemonan eh.
Lemonan.
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 Nana ka?
Mo? Yan o. Tara. It's also a cultural thing to ask someone whether they've eaten or not. Thus, we have the greeting, "May anak ko po?"
Or, meron na ka? Which is, have you eaten in English?
It's also customary for Kapampangans to invite people to eat or share their food as a greeting. Bakit? They simply say, "Mangan," or "Umeka kini, mangan."
Nana ka?
Pinas.
Halika.
Oh?
Danong pa na ako. Siya ako.
Masya nga ako.
Papay sa metong kaya. Kabun niya nga mga ano.
Mapin.
Okay naman.
Sige.
While she did not invite them to eat with her, she's not really expecting her to join them to eat. Mangan or mekeni mangan is just a greeting, not an actual invitation to share her food with others. Ikaw nga ba? Tala akong marine.
Amanta.
Anay kaya mo eh.
Kat na kami
Uy, Nika. Ang balita.
Ay, hindi, maranop ko. Bakit ko kasi rin Kevin? Kaya may nadlampaan mo na ako nabalong hindi sa nanda. Ikat ko lang mo. Mga anak, hindi sa nanda ako kami kalmas.
Balita na. Oh.
Another greeting that we have is O Nanong Balita or O Nanong Bayo. This means so what's the news or what's new in English and is usually exchanged with a person one has not seen or heard from in a long time. Speaking of long time, if you want to support this channel, please consider supporting us on Patreon at patreon.com/MeTheLocal, where patrons get exclusive access to content like behind-the-scenes photos and get to watch our content first. Malyari kayo rin palang saligan and t-shirts me.
Also, don't forget to like us on Facebook and subscribe on our YouTube channel na. Kaya makasubscribe, I love you. Pakamalan na kayo.
Ngayon mo, tatanamang ka rin, pamangin this po.
Despite its native sounding name, these greetings are actually non-indigenous. They are derived from the word dispo, which is a contraction of the phrase Dios po, recorded in Fernandez' 1876 phrase book.
Pamangandis po are standard greetings that approximate the standard Spanish greetings, including the Catholic holiday greetings. Potang tumulig ka king pibale-bale at mangulay ka karing tao king kilog, ing sabyan na ning Kapampangan, dispo, kabang ding Tagalog ing sabyan da, tao po.
This po, tao po, mga rolling kepo. Silin 2019.
This po is also attached to greetings like Maya Payabak to make it more formal. So, for good morning, we say Maya Payabak or Maya Payabak ning dispo.
For good afternoon, we say Mayap agat panapon or Mayap agat panapon ning dispo.
For good evening, we say Maya Pabengi or Maya Pabengi ning dispo. Easy, right?
During Christmas, instead of saying Merry Christmas, we say Maya Papasko as a standard Christmas greeting. However, if we want it to be formal, we say Pasko Maya ning Dispo or the extremely formal Maya Papasko ning Pangabayit ning Diyos po, which literally means blessings of the holy birth of God.
Oh. Speaking of Christmas, our sponsor Kids and Lois would like to greet everyone on Maya Pasko with their branded items from the US.
United States of America.
America.
Burgers. America. Kits and Lois is a California and Pampanga-based online shop that sells branded items from USA, such as handbags, wallets, shoes, and apparel. They also offer personal shopping for any items you want to purchase. Name it and they can find it for you. They prepare your orders and ship them directly to your doorstep. Everything they sell is guaranteed authentic and purchased in the US. Like this wallet, or this shirt, or this bag. To order, just send them a message on Instagram at kits_lois.ph or Facebook at kitsandlois.ph. The owners, Kits and Lois, are proud alumna of Holy Angel University and they're offering a 5% discount for all students and employees of HAU on their first purchase. Just show a valid ID for verification. Thank you, Kits and Lois, for sponsoring this video.
Punta pa naman Easter. Instead of saying Happy Easter in Kapampangan, we can say Paskong Mayap ning pangasubling mebye or Mayap pa Pasko ning pangasubling ng mebye ning Diyos po, which means blessings of the holy resurrection of God.
And for New Year, we greet each other with
Masapla lang ba yung balwa? Keko, ampung keko.
Masaplala actually means prosperous rather than happy. And therefore, it is a direct translation of the Spanish greeting Prospero Año Nuevo.
Our next set of greetings are what we call pamamuge, derived from the word puge to remove one's hat or cloth headdress to express courtesy.
Pamamuge are therefore formal greetings or salutations, addressed especially to one's elders or seniors, to an esteemed colleague, or even to strangers.
First is how we say welcome.
Welcome. We say welcome by saying Salangi ko po. It is the standard compound welcome greeting when receiving guests. Salangi literally means to light a lamp or candle. Guests are therefore seen as bringers of light and are therefore welcome. Walang masanting yata hindi karang business owners makaniniing greeting darang staff
Okay.
patsetting ba yung customers niya. Total, customers bring light to your establishment uling ilang mamahid kang kuryente.
O nanong naman yung malawas ko po.
Aliwaing malaos ko po. According to Berganyo, malaos is an infinitive of the word balaos, which means to proceed or pass pass through. Malaos ko po is a very recent welcome greeting derived from the Tagalog, tuloy po kayo, which was introduced to the public school system in the 1980s.
Anya pala po ta sinabi ng Malaos, bala mo palabas ya mune.
Malaos, Malaos, that's right. While Malaos Kopu has been generally accepted by most as a way to welcome guests, Salangi Kopu is still the standard and more appropriate way to receive them.
However, for Kapampangans living near the river, we use a different standard greeting, which is Mampit Kopu. It is derived from Ampit, that Berganyo defines as to bring the boat to shore.
Armpit. Ne. O tano mong pauli na lang. Bisano mabating. Bisano muli rindano pa na lang.
Pendanta, Mamon na ako po, or Mamon na ako is the standard Kapampangan expression when taking one's leave. It is derived from Pamon, which means to let someone know or to ask for permission.
While umenaku or menaku is another Kapampangan expression when taking one's leave. It literally means I am going. Hardly anyone says these anymore. For one thing, Kapampangans today no longer understand the word ume, which means to go.
Trivia pa, ing ume kanya iba't ing mekeni, which is a contraction of ume kakeni. Mekeni means come forth or come hither.
Ako?
Ay, ali, pota ka pa. Akit ka.
O sige, umena ako.
Mingat.
Ba't ka pa, Kenny? Wait dindam yun. Sinabi niya in mingat. Mingat is the standard response to those who are taking their leave. This is the extremely casual version of Diyos yang mingat or in Diyos po yang mingat kaya kayo king dalan.
Nung sabihan kaya siguro kang ingkong ko yan, bibulang yan.
Wow, amis na mga pakirya kaya ka.
Sabihan naman to, luwid ka.
Luwid ka. Luwid ka is another greeting of Kapampangan. Ito namang sinabi mong luwid ka or luwid ko po is a standard greeting given to congratulate someone for his birthday or graduation or an achievement. It is also expressed during a toast or when wishing someone long life and good luck.
This is still used as a standard form of salutation in mails or letters written in Kapampangan.
O nanayawari in kabaldugan na ning luwid.
According to Berganyo, luwid is conservation or prolongation.
So basically, if we directly translate it, it says, long live.
Speaking of long live, happy birthday!
Kaya pa birthday. Atin tamang mas masanting nga greeting kayang happy birthday. Nungi ka, birthday mo na, luwid ka. Maligayang kapag masusyan, kaniting kayaldawan, ning kekang pangasupling.
Ayaw malyaring birthday na mo?
Wapin eh, tabalo. Ngayon kasi birthday, ata mo na mo, ne? Pero malyari ya mo naman, ing mayap ayaldo, ning kekang kebaitan. Mapaitan medyo mas flows doon.
Pero kapag mo, Kevin, poto sabihan da rin manal betam, ay kalalam da rin. Ali po, ela pong malalam mga kapampangan rin. May babota na po balo king kapampangan. Ala pong malalam nung gambulan at panigaralan tala reni.
That's right! Anyapin, gagawin nila po rin yung video rin niya. Like and subscribe. O rin pa! Our next and final set are called Pamamasing Tabi.
Pasing tabi are formal greetings addressed to elders or someone with a much higher rank.
The word singtabi is defined by Berganyo as interreaction de cortesía or expressions of respect or courtesy. That's why we say pasingtabi for excuse me.
Let's take a look at non-verbal of Pamamasing Tabi that originally involves kneeling and the grabbing of the right hand of one's elder or superior with one's right hand and pressing the forehead upon the wrist.
This is called pamaniklod. Oh.
Nowadays, however, people just bow low and no longer kneel when they do this.
And our Kapampangan elders usually answer with, so pana ka ning Diyos, or may God help you, or
This po.
Uling pamamaya respeto naman ing pisasabihan tamo, iyabeta na rin Kenny ing pamagpasori. So when we want to apologize or say sorry, we say panupaya po or misnapong kapanupayan.
kaya bila naman po rin pamakirame kini. So instead of saying condolences, we can say lauslub kaya pong makirame karelo, or makirame kaya po karelo, or makirame kaya.
Alam mo na ating tamo ring greeting ay iba't karing ancient kings and nobility. Even before the Spaniards came to colonize us, during the reign of the Kingdom of Luzon in the late 16th century, ating tamong bapu, a greeting Kapampangans gave to their sugi de sangre ilustre.
Now this greeting is limited to Catholic saints by Christian Kapampangans like in the prayer, Bapong Maria, Induning Diyos, Hail Mary, Mother of God, and Bapong Ari, Hail Holy Queen. Bapu is therefore understood as Hail to Thee or Hail My Lord.
And finally, gagamitan niya naman ing amanong dispuka rin ing pamamasing tabi. Antimo, Kapampangans used to touch the palm of their hands together as if they were praying and bow slightly while saying this greeting.
Alam mo king plano na.
Oo, This was the most common form of greeting among strangers upon entering someone's home and when greeting someone's elders or deng senyor.
Bonus round!
At yung tamang pang-alawang forms of pamagmanano which are cultural in nature. We have examples such as
Nang linwal for towns to enjoy wedding or small town lotteries.
May nakita na ka in Guaga, which is a center of business and commerce in Pampanga.
Wow.
Che, Koy, Gupit, yung palengke. Karetang kaluguran tamang manunod ka rin.
ang ponche blouse.
While these aren't technically greetings, they're called pangulait from the word kulait, which means to call one's attention. They're used to grab the attention of customers.
Ika yung nano na rin balo yung pangulayit. Let us know in the comments.
Baka buhat niya.
Boss chicks,
Mayas. Ug siya ko rin niya.
lahat binibili. Kaliin po nanto, chef.
Tawa.
Chef, para kaya.
Alright, that's the end of our video.
Burimi ang pasalamatan ni Mike Pangilinan ng Sinupan Singsing
Thank you.
Center of Kapampangan
Mike.
Cultural Heritage.
This video is based off an updated version of his article. The name of the article is Kapampangan Greetings in Aboriginal Education World. If you want to learn more about the Kapampangan language, please like their Facebook page, Sinupan Singsing, or attend their classes for free.
Free!
At the second floor of the city, Angeles City Library and Information.
Muna niya.
Libre. Kimundo ngayon eh.
Libre.
Libre.
Dakalang salamat ka rin kaya kaming patrons. If you want to watch these videos first and get access to exclusive content, consider supporting us on patreon.com/vidaloka.
Don't forget to like and subscribe!
Bitit pala. First time.
First time na yan eh.
Pitit! Kaya lang kaya katamong smile or timan. Kunti.
Okay, stop.
Or raising of eyebrows. Raising of the pinching of the cheeks.
Sino ba? Picture of the
A tap of the hand.
A wave of the hand.
Oh.
Both of these are greetings mean both of these greetings.
Dyslexic na kaya sabi ko. Both of these greetings are mean.
Wala nangyari.
Mayapayabak ning dispo.
Kiss po. Ala.
Forgot. Kiss po.
Muntata naman Easter, instead of saying Happy Easter in Kapampangan, we can say Paskong mayap ning pangasubling mebye o maya papasko ning eko na yabasa ning kabilis. Sobrang bilis.
Nung sabihin kayo siguro kayong kung ko yan, may bulag yan.
May bulang.
May bulang yan! May bulag yan!
May bulag.
Bila ko
May bulag yawa.
Tan 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 tan